I might be living your American dream, but I'm nowhere near where my dream is, dog. I got aspirations. I got big dreams.
And today, honey, I'm at work. She's at work. And I have a lot of meetings today. So I got through my first meeting at around 10. It was literally felt like 2 minutes. Really quick, really quick. Like 5 minutes. But then I have a longer meeting at 1. Right now it's 12, so I'm gonna take a break and do my makeup because I feel like even working from home, y'all, I do not like how I don't know how to get it to. Okay, it's my little light, so it's coming through my glasses, but I just like to look presentable when I work from home and I'm in meetings. Even if I don't have a meeting and I don't have to be on camera, I still like to look nice. So, a nice kind of way. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup. Also today, I went to the grocery store. Y'all know last vlog I was having, or 2 vlogs ago, I was having car problems. Then I got my car fixed. Now the tire pressure light came on, so I took it back to the car place this morning and it just needed some air. Thank God. I picked up a few more things from the grocery store, some salad, some more mangoes. I love small mangoes. They are so good. They're a little bit sour, but they're so good to me. I got a pineapple and a honeydew melon because I really love grapes, but I just feel like the grapes are not great because where's the seeds? Like where? Like why? I can't find anywhere here yet where they sell watermelon with seeds, grapes with seeds. I haven't found it. Okay, but that HEB is the grocery store I really like, and Aldi's. HEB does have so many variety of other fruits with seeds, so I just end up getting me a honeydew melon, me a pineapple, my mango. Those are like my top 3 fruits right now. So let me go ahead and put on a little bit of makeup. I'm actually gonna stand up on my table and put on me a little bit of makeup really quickly, and then I'll come back. Dallas, so I do got on this green dress, trying to get as many wears out of it as I can before it gets way cooler, and I'm probably still gonna wear it with me a blazer or a button-up top or a shawl or a sweater. Yep. I do think that a lot of times when people say, I just don't be knowing why it's offensive, or it makes single moms so mad when somebody say they don't want to be a single mom. It's not fun. Not getting the proper help is not anything fun. And I don't mean just single mom, like being with somebody and you probably shouldn't be with that person, they're not helping. To me, that can still be considered like a form of being a single mom. Those were choices that we made to have kids with somebody, not knowing that fully that they wouldn't be responsible. So my thing is, I'm okay with where I'm at and me being a single mom. The thing is, I only did it once, girl. Like, I only did it once. I learned from not my mistake, but I learned from that decision of being with somebody who really wasn't fully what I needed in my life. It didn't last. You know what I mean? I learned a lot from it. I'm taking a lot from it, and I am moving forward, girl. So it doesn't mean anything bad, but people who don't have kids see the example that single moms go through. They don't want to go through it. It's not easy, especially if it's someone who doesn't have kids and they want multiple children. If you want multiple kids, who want to have multiple kids and be a single mom? It's hard enough doing this by yourself, but being a single mom and doing it with more than one kid is insane. Crazy work. Crazy work. Don't do it, girl. If you can hear me, don't do it. It's not fun. But yeah, y'all, let me go ahead and finish work. I have probably an hour and 15 minutes before I go to lunch. I ain't gonna have to go pick up my daughter, so I am gonna work for probably another hour and then make me some lunch. So hello everybody, hello. So hey y'all, today is Tuesday. And I'm just cleaning out some containers I just got. I was gifted, someone gave me like some organizing containers, which I'm super happy about, and some skincare and stuff too. So I'm just wiping everything down. I got gifted some organizing containers, which I'm super grateful for. And I'm gonna organize my bathroom and makeup area a little bit better than what I already have it. I really like my apartment, but I am noticing I don't have enough storage. That's kind of another reason why I'm questioning if I'm decorating this year. So right now I'm just wiping down the containers and stuff, just wiping them out. And I also got like skincare. She gave me a lot of skincare and some makeup stuff, and so I'm super grateful, super grateful. So I'm gonna organize and everything. First off, okay, got that out the way. So TikTok is really being banned. I think it's January 15th, 2025. So I need the girls who are on TikTok, I need for y'all to come over to the YouTube and give us some longer form content to go live on YouTube more, because yeah, I love TikTok and the people that I follow. I have curated my audience. Well, I've curated my platform to like, it's literally what I like. Literally what I like. I follow people who I like. You know what I mean? But I need the girls to come on over to YouTube, please. So, hello. So I'm ready, y'all. So today is Friday, and it's about 7:30 in the morning, and I'm going to vote. So yeah, I'm going to vote early because I don't want to be messing with these people on the day of voting, because I know some stuff is going to be happening with this election, and I just don't want to be part of it. Just want to vote and come on home, girl. Okay, so y'all, I am on the road. I had to record on my phone. I just put on some gray wide leg jogger-like pants, my New Balance, and a black tank, a little jewelry. I did do my skincare, and an oversized button-up. And this oversized button-up was already oversized, but the more I lose weight, it's getting more and more oversized. So I'm on my way to find where I go to vote here. I saw a sign somewhere in this area pointing me to where I go to vote. So we finna see, child. And I also need to find a church home. I didn't really have a church home back in Wisconsin because I had stopped going to our family church. So I need to find a church home. So I'm gonna have to start visiting churches soon. I want to go to like a more smaller church. I don't want to go to a mega church at all. I just feel like sometimes it just take away from the experience. So yeah, I don't want to go there. Okay, here go a sign. Let me go down here. And then I'm not from here, so I don't know if that's gonna be an issue because I'm not even from here. So child, I don't know if I'm even gonna be able to. Something been in my eye all day. Let me see. So I voted, y'all. I voted. Got that out the way. Now what I'm finna do now? I could go home because I forgot my card actually. So I'm thinking about going home. What time is it? I need to go to the grocery store if I got that card. So my daughter has to go to the mall on Sunday. So I may go do some running errands on Monday. But let me see what's open.
What you all been waiting for, ain't it? What people pay paper for, game it. They can't stain it, they want something new. So let's get reacquainted. Became the hood favorite, I can't even explain it. I surprised myself too. Life of a dawn, lights keep glowing. Coming in the club with that fresh shit on, with something crazy on my arm. And here's another hit, baby bonds. We outta here, baby.